Hi everyone, welcome to Rak's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make pulicharu. I make this as quick fix for lunch. It is just like rasam. Can be made under 15 minutes. Let's see how to make it. In this recipe I'm using rice washed water, that is collect the water you drain after washing rice. Wash rice you're going to cook, drain once and next time while washing, collect the water. This rice washed water is called kazhani. This is specifically used in this recipe for perfect balanced taste. Soak small gooseberry-sized tamarind in hot water. Let it soak for a good 30 minutes or so. Meanwhile, you can prepare the other ingredients needed and keep it ready. Once tamarind is soaked, extract juice using the rice-washed water. In total, it can measure 2 cups. My mother-in-law usually do this in everyday basis. To use rice-washed water for extracting tamarind juice, use it for making sambar, kurambu or rasam. Okay, now to the procedure. Heat the tamarind water over stove with required salt. The tempering items lend a lot of flavor to this dish, so make sure to use each ingredient. Heat a kadai with peanut oil. Add quarter teaspoon of fenugreek seeds vendayam first, followed by mustard, urad dal and toor dal. Squirt about 1/8 teaspoon of asafoetida peringayam. Add curry leaves and green chillies, followed by the chopped small onions. I have added about 10 small onions. Fry until it turns transparent. Add 1 small chopped tomato and another 1/8 teaspoon of asafoetida. The asafoetida we add while tempering gives a flavor by getting roasted in oil, and what we add at this stage lends a raw flavor of asafoetida which will be nice in this recipe. So it is good to add the asafoetida divided. Once the tomato is soft, add to the tamarind extract. Add half teaspoon of sugar. Wait for it to boil briskly and switch off the flame. You can garnish with some coriander leaves optionally. Now the pulicharu is ready to go with hot rice. Drizzle some ghee over and mix it with rice. It's very easy, right? So do try at home and let me know your feedback. Don't forget to subscribe to Rak's Kitchen. Thank you for watching.